Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Flaunt with Grace. Today we are going to make a detox water for which I'm going to need 1 liter of fresh drinking water. I'm using a glass bottle for this because using a glass bottle for drinking water is very healthier than using a plastic one. If you have a glass bottle already at home, please go ahead and no doubt use this water in a glass bottle. Store it in a glass bottle. It is also environment friendly, so yeah, you don't have to hesitate even a bit, and you can simply go ahead and use a glass bottle for this. First ingredient that will go into making this detox water is lemon. I have cut the lemon in thin slices like this, and I've only taken 3 slices. Now first of all, lemon is a very good source of vitamin C, which reduces the risk of low blood pressure. It supports weight loss. It also improves skin quality. Because it has vitamin C, it reduces skin aging and prevents skin wrinkling as well. It improves digestion and also it freshens the breath. If you have a problem of bad breath, you can use lemon for that as well. And also it also helps prevent kidney stone. So once it goes into the water, you just have to give it a shake. You just have to shake it a bit, and we are ready to go ahead and use the second ingredient. Secondly, we are going to use cucumber, and again I have taken 3 slices of cucumber like this. Cucumber contains good amount of water. It is high in nutrients. It contains antioxidants, promote hydration to the skin, and it helps in weight loss, which is a major quality of cucumber. It helps prevent constipation as it contains a good amount of fiber. It is easy to add in your diet. You can make salad, you can also make sandwiches or eat it raw. In India, we also make raita using cucumber. So it is up to you how you want to use it and include it in your daily diet, but it is very good for your skin and body. The third thing that we are going to use in this detox water is ginger. Ginger is commonly known as a spice. We use a ginger as a spice to make curry and sabji, but also ginger is a very it is a miracle spice. It contains gingerol. It is rich in gingerol, with which is very powerful antioxidant properties. It treats morning sickness and nausea. Also, it reduces muscle pain, reduces joint pains. It lowers blood sugar and improves heart disease. It helps treat chronic indigestion. And if you make ginger powder and make tea out of it, it is also helpful in lowering down the cholesterol level. It also helps fight infections. So there goes the ginger. Now the next thing that we are going to use to make this detox water is mint. Now mint is rich in nutrients. It is known for its cooling effect. In summers, you can add mint in many other ways. You can make drinks. You can make many drinks out of mint. It relieves indigestion. It improves cold symptoms. It also reduces bad breath. Many people make drinks, and you can also make hot beverages with it, particularly known for its cooling effect. I can share one of the drinks which you can make with mint. Like, you can simply blend mint along with curd, add some salt, and give it a good mix. And this drink will help cool down your system. So adding mint in your daily diet is also very good for your health, and it has many good qualities. So I have not taken a lot of mint. You can see I have just taken two like few leaves, and there once I mix it up, it all the ingredients look something like this. You can store this, and you can consume it like normal water. Like whenever you need the thirst to have water, you can simply go ahead and sip it. You can consume this 1 liter of water first, and then you can keep the ingredients in it, and you can just refill water again, and you can have 2 liters of this detox water. After that, you have to throw away the ingredients, and like the other day, you can cut fresh ingredients, the things that goes inside it, and you can make another bottle for the whole new day. Now this water will help to boost skin health and beauty. It prevents wrinkles. The major benefit of having this water is that it will help in weight loss. It will help in skin problems. It will improve your digestive system. It flushes body waste and help maintain blood pressure. It also prevents kidney damages and kidney diseases. Alright. In this lockdown, we are having a lot of unhealthy thing at home, oily and many other things. So please hit like if you like my effort, and also do share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel